I will test my skills against the ultimate barista challenge by making coffee blindfolded. Coffee making can be a dangerous thing. I have to warn you, do not try this at home. There are many ways to get hurt or burnt making coffee, so imagine the risk I'm putting myself into. I don't know if I want to do this actually. Can we just make like a latte tutorial instead? Okay, so these are the rules. I'll attempt 3 brewing methods that will be increasing in complexity. I will have 1 assistance that I can use throughout the entire challenge so I can skip a step. And I can only use it once. But if I use it, an additional obstacle will be added. And honestly, guys, I don't know how this can get any harder. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is a pour over method. I don't know if it's a little bit silly of me to think that's the easiest one, but that's where I wanna begin. So first thing I'm gonna do is try to find my kettle, which should be around here. And I'm just gonna fill it up with water and hope for the best. So let's try to find the base. Oh my goodness. Okay, there you go. There you go. So I am guiding myself somewhere here. My V60, my V60, I got it. Okay. Have the spoon. Okay, I need my filter, so wait. Okay, yes, it's actually too close. Perfect. I don't want to lose any equipment today, but I also don't want to use the challenge, the assistance, so, oh my goodness, I took more than 1. And now, a difficult challenge is gonna be grinding the beans. So I usually rely on scales for consistency, but you know, of course, I will not be able to see whatever the scale has to tell me. Oh my goodness. Okay, my beans, my beans. I think this holds like around 12 ounces. But I'm gonna try my best to get like around 20 grams of beans inside here. Ha! Okay, sounded good. Why do I get myself into these situations? So if you're enjoying this and this is good entertainment for you, this is a very good time for you to subscribe. Thank you. I have this actually set up for my V60 in the mornings. So I think that if I just press the last button to the right, I may have put more beans than I need to, and it may be too late. I have to rinse my filter. So far so good, we're alive. Going back. I need my kettle. Don't burn yourself, girl. I have to bloom the coffee first and then make my pour over. But I have no idea to know how much I'm putting in, so I'm just gonna rely on my instincts here. Okay. Ah! Oh, goodness. My coffee is brewing here. I love your coffee, I believe in you, and I hope you're not a mess. And if you are, I love you anyways. Oh my gosh. Okay, so basically, I just realized I need a cup. Okay, perfect. We got the drip. If I touch the rim, actually, this is not the worst cup of coffee I've ever had. Given it's the first time I brew coffee without watching what I'm seeing, what I'm doing, without seeing what I'm doing. Oh my goodness, this is actually pretty decent. Challenge 1 achieved without assistance. Why did you touch me? Why did you touch me? I'm gonna go for challenge number 2, which is the moka pot. I have been brewing coffee in a moka pot since I was like 6 years old, so this should be second nature to me. However, I am a little bit concerned because there are a lot of things that are very, very hot that I have to be in contact with, possibly, perhaps, I don't know. And I do remember I kind of left like something with plastic on the stove, so I guess I have to take care of that. I don't know where the moka pot is. I usually put it like here. Did someone move my mocha pot? Did you guys move the mocha pot? Ah! Oh. I'm sorry. I'm so happy. Okay. Perfect. Nothing happened, nothing to see here. Oh my goodness. There's coffee in it. If you have seen my tips on the mocha pot, you know that we have to fill the water up until this little guy here. So my strategy is to keep my finger there until it burns me. So let's see. Let's see. That's my cue! That's my cue! Perfect! Excellent! All right. In here. Although I have forgotten a very important step, my coffee. We were pretending to make coffee without coffee, so let's see. We have to. I left something here. The beans are here. That's a very good step. But I don't know where I left the little thing like to catch the ground coffee. Gotta be more organized if I'm gonna be doing this without my blind thingy. Or you guys. I don't trust you anymore. Let's be creative because I'm running out of options. So I'm gonna grab a cup. So I have this set up for my V60. That should be my beans, I suppose. Which is setting, of course, that's coarser than the mocha pots. If I recall correctly, just by turning the knob, I can get a finer grind. I may be wrong, which will cause everything to be coarser and then everything to be bad. Oh, that's good. That's actually pretty good. Okay, let's go. Hot surface with the basket. Okay. I think this is turning okay. Haha. All is fine. All is good. It's like piping hot. I don't remember which one of these turns the front, but I think it's the left. So I'm gonna try. And I'm gonna set it up for the middle, and then that should be like 6. And I'm just gonna stay by here and see if it actually hits up. It is not. It is. Okay, this is a very nice exploration of my kitchen. Remember, if you want to learn some tips to make your mocha pot an amazing experience, you can click on my video about it here. Maybe this way. I'm sorry, I think it's there. I think this is brewing just based on the sound. I'm gonna try to open it so you guys will know if it's brewing, because you have eyes and I don't. That's the sound. That's the sound. We made it. Okay. Some of that coffee didn't fall on the cup. It's so bad. Oh my goodness, this is a bad coffee. Ah. Oh no, no. I will not do that to myself. That tastes very bad. Do you think I have passed the challenge though? Can we move on? So third will be my espresso. Espresso is volatile, espresso is all about consistency, and I do rely a lot on my skills and having my ratios and my visuals, right? I do have a lot of visual cues when I am making espresso, that my relationship with it is a lot of visual. Okay. I am going to request to use my assistants, my only assistants. I want to just make sure that the weight is correct, and then I'm just gonna venture everything else. I do need to dry this. Okay. Oh, there's a little bit of a problem. Those beans are not enough beans. These are the right beans. For those of you who know that you can time the dose on this grinder, that is true. However, I do not have it timed. What's the number on the scale? I'm just gonna try to get that 1 additional gram. I'm not gonna keep bothering you just in case those things are cumulative. So there's a funnel. Okay. My WDT is around here, and I'm gonna try to make this happen. Now I have my wedge distributor here. Haha! And we're just gonna now tamper. I pray to God that's even, but I know it's not. Don't get burned. Let's purge. All right. Can I know what the punishment is? A what? Okay. Okay. Worst thing that can happen is I put all the milk in the floor, burn myself, burn my fingers. Yeah. So I'm gonna use the latte cup then. The one that's left, because I used the other one in the emergency. How does it look? Is it decent? Okay, so you said I need to make a latte. I need to make a latte, so I need milk. And this is gonna be a little bit unorthodox, but oh, okay, that should be okay. Okay. I am so nervous. Can't even lie. Okay. I'm so nervous now. My favorite sound on earth. My goodness. I think we didn't do too bad. So, now, oh my goodness, okay, sorry. Gotta make this one warm as well. I think it's inside. Okay. That was the coffee. What do I earn if I make this right? Nothing. I'm gonna try to make latte art, but I don't promise you anything. I don't know. I don't know how it is, but I did the motion and I gotta trust myself because we make what we can and that's the best we can do. I'm gonna try it though. This is actually so good. I am very proud of myself at this point in time. Like seriously, I've had less quality coffee at some cafes. I did it! I'm so happy. It's so bright. It's just hurting my eyes. My reward is having you watch my video till the end. You can just go and watch whatever. I don't really know. I just need to take a break. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye.